Hello friends, welcome to VFX Pipeline channel, and in this video I will show you how you can host your website free of cost on free hosting services available on internet. So I have my own YouTube channel here as you are watching on that, and the name is VFX Pipeline, and for that I register a domain vfxpipeline.in. I registered my domain in 2015 and I used a free hosting service and the name is Hostinger. So as you see that if you go to my website vfxpipeline.in, you see my web page there, and it's basically the website for my YouTube channel. So recently I get this notice that Hostinger changed their servers and they are moving the free websites from one place to another place, and I don't want to show this message to my viewers of my website. But still in my website there's no confidential content, there is no huge traffic in my website because it's all about my YouTube channel and my all traffic goes to YouTube. So because of that I don't need any paid service for that, and the general traffic for my website is around like 1000 to 2000 users per month. So that is not a big amount which at current state, so I don't want to put any of my money into a paid hosting service. So I was using for last 3 years almost everything good. So because of this I need to change my hosting service. So what I'm going to do is I found another one which is very good, very useful. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to register a domain. You must have your own domain if you want to use any free hosting services. And this is my previous hosting which I am currently using, vfxpipeline.in and Hostinger panel. And but the new one that we currently I'm moving my website is Infinity Free. So basically you can go to infinityfree.net and you can sign up and create a free account there. Once you create a free account, you will get a control panel in your email. You go to the control panel and you need to update few settings and you are good to go. So in control panel you will get the name server, and the name server I'll show you what is the name server of the Infinity Free. So this is the control panel of my domain name. So I register my domain from Big Rock website, and when you can register from any domain registrar like GoDaddy and others. In my case I use Big Rock. So if inside the domain settings there is a setting called name server, so you should go there. And I don't know why it's slow, just a minute. Okay, I need to re-log in back. Let's go to the domain which I register, vfxpipeline.in, and go to the name servers. And in that name server you need to update ns1 epiz.com, ns2 epiz.com. With these two name server you are able to point your website to this free domain, free hosting. And once you're done with that, you are good to go and your website will be hosted on the free hosting. But another thing is you need to upload your files to the new hosting website. So once you create your account, I will show you how's the control panel of the Infinity Free. So let me just go to open my account here. Okay, so you can go to app.infinityfree.net, login, and this is their login website address. Once you sign in, sorry, credential won't match. All right, so here once you log in you will see your as I already registered my website here, but you can actually add a new account. Once you go add new account, you can enter your domain name here, and before you enter the domain name you need to update the name server and point say, as you can see here, the domain needs to point to the name server, namespace ns1 epiz.com, and this name server as the same name server from your hosting panel. And once you're done, you will get hosting details. I will show you my hosting details here. Okay, go to accounts, manage accounts, and you can open the control panel. And even if you don't want to open the control panel, you can see the FTP details here, your FTP username, your FTP password. The password is actually the same of your control panel password. And then you need a software called FileZilla, and in that FileZilla you can put the host name as ftp-epiz.com and your username you can find here. So this is your FTP username and your password, and the port, if by default, is 21. So even if you don't type, no problem, and you can go and quick connect. Once you do the quick connections, it will point to your main server and you will see a message like directory listing of /successful. And now you can select your website in your local folder, right click, upload, it will appear in the server folder. So here in vfxpipeline.in, it's pointing to my old website, but I recently updated just now. So if I refresh that, yes, my website is updated and now pointing to a free domain, free hosting website. So with that, you can even also host it your own portfolio website, your demo reel website, show reel website. And I would recommend, don't use any payment gateway, any confidential data in free hosting, because they are not reliable. And if you have more traffic means like if you have more than 5,000 users per day who are visiting your website, definitely these hosting websites will send you an email or alert you that your website is generating too much traffic. So if you have that, if you're generating a lot of revenue from your website, definitely go with the paid one. You will get better speed, you will get better bandwidth for your website. But for general portfolio, it's good to use the free stuff available on the internet. I hope this video helped you to create your own website. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, go to my website vfxpipeline.in and you see this button there. You can just click and you will subscribe. All right. So I'll see you in next video.